Not quite sure how this will work, but I was thinking, well, I made these feathers by using place mesh in Modeler. Strange thing though, it screwed up the weight maps when using place mesh, so I had to unweld and merge again to fix that. Also, I had to made the fixed points over again, but that's because of the selection set, so that's okay. I was a bit surprised that place mesh screwed up the weight maps though. Sort of. I was able to fix it, like I said, by unwelding and merging in Modeler, and then I retrieved my weight maps. Anyway, this stuff does not use weight maps just yet. I added FX Wind, so this is the FX tools, not that accurate like Bullet, but I thought it would be interesting to give it a go. So I'm kind of like grooming the feathers by using Wind. I guess that's called, this is called Animation Path. Not sure if that's the official name, can't recall. Anyway, so this is how it looks in frame 0, and let's take frame 1. You'll see the difference on those. Frame 2, 1 and 2, frame 3. That one has a keyframe at frame 3, shouldn't have that. Frame 4. So you can see how it kind of like grooms the feathers. So this is max and this is original. So this is maxed out. It's kind of like interesting how you can groom using Wind. But you know, this is, I don't know if this is going to work or not. But I thought it was interesting though. Let's go back to the feathers. Of course, the feathers have collision. It's going to collide with all. Collision offset, I set that to 5, so it's not that, it's kind of low actually. It's quite low. But that creates a better result, more accurate result. So the dynamics, I mean the gravity, is set to -9, which is okay. I wonder though if I should just try to set it as 0 and see how it looks only with the animation path without the gravity. So let's try that. Let's calculate. It doesn't seem to be that much of a difference, really. That's surprising. Not much of a difference. Anyway, so maybe that calculated slightly faster. I was surprised that it calculated this fast. I was like, okay. You can see that the feathers are stretching quite a lot. So I think I'll fix that by using a high substructure from what I recall. Let's try that. Adjusting those substructures and hold structures and all those settings can affect calculation time quite a lot. So so be aware of that. Already you can see that this is calculating slower. But I don't know. If I could get this to work, then it would be kind of cool. But one thing that I didn't think of is that I could actually groom only parts of it by using weight maps, I guess. I don't know. This is really so-so as far as the result. I don't know why is it like this in that area. Oh, you know what? Actually, that's correct. Feathers are not really sticking to the underneath of the face, the chin, sort of. That is actually correct. And also, this area here looks screwed up, but that's because of the animation path. It's not really affecting it. You can see the animation path is too small in that area. I do believe actually that I could scale the animation path. Let's see. So if I take that one, handle 4, and I scale that, I think I should be able to create, let's see, I think I should be able to scale up the wind in that area. So let's try that using the size on the null. Yeah, using the size on the null will kind of like fix it. You know what, I'm going to use stretch on that null. That's kind of strange. It seems to, I don't know why, but it seems to scale it instead of stretching it. I don't know. Yeah, stretching it in that direction is not really helping. So anyway, so you fix those outer areas though. And this one, I guess we could size that one down, but well, I'm not going to go too much into that. What else? Well, you can see in frame 0, at frame 0, these feathers here, by using place mesh, was heading upwards, so I think I should just have fixed that by rotating it and cloning them manually, and so the start point of those would actually point downwards instead of upwards. Feather on the head is actually not that bad, it's good. So, okay, so I fixed the path wind. it's not going to cause too much of a difference, I guess. Again, remember to create all the handles of the path wind in at frame 0. And or animation path, animation path. When you first create the animation path, it'll ask you if you want to create handles, and of course you're gonna click OK to that, and that'll create the 2 first nulls and move those nulls, and then you take the last null and you just copy it, Control C, copy it, and move the next null, the 3rd null down here, copy it, move the 4th null down here. That's how you create that path. Anyway, this is certainly a so-so result. I'm not sure if I will get back to this or not, but we'll see. In Modeler, I think I should have de-risked some of these feathers. If you look at the feather, you can see that it has 1, 2, 3 polys. So I think I should have just kept it at 2. It would calculate faster, and also the feathers wouldn't twist that much. I don't know, can we call this feathers? We don't know. Anyway, just a test run, and again, I guess painting weights could help us out. Also, I can mix this effect here with that one by saving this out, saving these feathers out, and say in Modeler, say put this in the background, and Modeler say background to morph, and then I can use the airbrush tool to mix the original and this. Anyway, right now it looks like this bird has been through a storm, so yeah. We'll see if this goes anywhere. Of course, what you would do is that you would freeze this result and then import this object back into layout, and from there you could add additional or add dynamics to this result if you want to continue adding wind to that character, because if you didn't do that, then you would have to connect the animation path to, or you would have to link the animation path to the bird while it's walking and dancing and whatever. Yeah. But anyway, the first goal should be to actually make this look decent. Not that easy. Yeah, that's it for now.